Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. Today in this video, I'll introduce you to the Bible Chat app and show you how to use it to explore scripture, deepen your faith, and connect with God daily. Let's dive in. Bible Chat is an AI-powered app that serves as your personal Bible study companion. It offers features like interactive AI chat, daily devotionals, verse finder, prayer assistant, Bible trivia. Now, to use it, first you need to go to the App Store and download your app. If you haven't, so search Bible Chat on the search bar at the top of your page, and once the icon pops up, tap on that and then tap on install. Once installed, open up your app and sign up using your email or Google account. Then allow necessary permissions for notification and data access. Upon opening the app, you'll see daily verse of words to meditate on. Then you can also find AI chat to ask questions or see guidance. Then a daily reading to inspire you and prayer requests. Submit your prayer meaning. Then there's the menu at the bottom of your page. Home, chat, devotion, prayer. To use the AI chat, tap on the chat tab, type your question or topic. Example, what does the Bible say about forgiveness? The AI will provide a response based on scripture. You can ask follow-up questions or request further clarification. Accessing daily devotionals, go to the devotional tab, browse through daily readings or search by topic. Tap on a devotional to read and reflect. Optionally, share it with your friends or save it to your profile. To find the Bible verses, tap on the verse finder icon, enter a keyword, topic, or scripture reference. The app will display relevant verses. Tap on a verse to read in different translations or save. Now for prayer assistant, tap on the prayer tab, choose a prayer topic, example strength, gratitude. The app will generate a personalized prayer. You can edit, save, or share the prayer. You can use the app daily for spiritual growth. Also, you can adjust settings to receive notification at your preferred time. And that is all about Bible Chat app. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like if you did and comment down if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Bye.